The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lee County and north central Illinois, Ogle County and north central Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles south of Mount Morris to Dixon to Deer Grove and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Morris, Oregon, Walden, Byron, Amboy, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Armand, Adeline, and Leaf River. Other locations affected: Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Logan State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Sauk Valley College, White Pine State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.